Take a look at what Chef Element's chefing up over here. What are you chefing up?
Some tacos. Putting some pico de gallo and some guacamole together.
Ooh,
Yeah.
looking good. Oh yeah, that looks really good.
I just split it up just so we can keep on going with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smart.
Yeah. No bueno.
How is it, Bobby?
It is so effing spicy.
Man, this is like pure.
Fire.
Well, this is good though. I mean, it's like spicy.
Just wait.
Alcohol. It's already spicy.
I don't think he got enough. Take another sip.
Okay, good sip. Oh. Right away, it smells like I'm drinking pure alcohol. Like if I got myself caught and I need alcohol. That's how it feels first. And then I feel like a spiciness to it.
So I took the smallest sip in my
It's very not enjoyable.
Yeah. I mean, I would have a shot of it, but I wouldn't drink it like all the time.
Yeah.
It's spicy.
Yeah, it's too spicy.
This is
Oh, I
spicy.
wanted to smell it.
You're not gonna drink it? Take a sip?
I don't drink alcohol.
Well, today's the night. No, I'm just
It
kidding.
smells like pure alcohol.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's
Yeah.
like a cleaning alcohol.
Yes. it
Yeah.
does taste like a cleaning alcohol.
Look at this. That looks pretty good.
Thanks, man. Well, it's all about the seasoning, right?
Yeah.
Oregano, and then I got seasoning salt here as well. Bum, bum.
Oh, yeah, that's good stuff. You're eating good out here.
Very good. I mean, you have to spice it up in life. Get it? Was I? Sorry, that was way too obvious.
I got it.
Well, it's gonna be easier for us to even no?
People to bring their trash back. They don't have a landfill. Everything is kind of piled up. So they kind of have an prepping for the winter. Because I lived there for like 3 months. Beluga.
What is it?
Beluga.
Beluga?
See, like this
Because
piece
the car
feels pretty good.
Yeah, I
like
can
a beluga.
see the...
This, no. This is
when I
feeling
was-
pretty good.
when I
This
was
is
on
feeling pretty
I saw
good.
Beluga. Taktiakatak, which is the most northern village in North America. They had Starbucks.
It's interstellar.
Right? Which was an opportunity for people to work remotely, which means they have work. It was beautiful, man.
Yeah,
It's still a trip I talk about so much 4 months later.
it's an epic trip.
Yeah. And it does really push out your comfort zone. That's exciting. And I meet so many cool people on the road with
Your clock in number, dude. Just 274. You're done.
dude.
Get out of here.
Yeah, that was scary. And I have it in video too. I was recording for my YouTube channel.
Oh,
I was like, oh shoot, there's a bird. Then I put my phone away.
good. That's smart.
Yeah, it was, but then after that, I wish it like I recorded. But I think I did
Yeah,
the best option. You know?
I don't think you should film that.
Yeah, I could have filmed my bed or something.
Oh, jeez. I mean, subscribers.
cameraman never dies, man.
That's so true.
One bird with 2 cups came twice. So I couldn't sleep that night. After like 1 hour, like we thought they were gone. They came back again from another way.
that's
What it
scary.
saved us was my friend, so also 2 mechanics with 3 of us backpacks. They have these police lights, like it's called like the stream light.
Yeah.
Those things are super bright.
Yeah.
So we were pointing it to the bears, and they were like moving their
Oh.
face like that.
Like they couldn't see.
Yeah, so that's why they ran away.
I ended up just testing how quickly I could like take it off and point it, and I forgot to put the safety back on. So I ended up spraying my hand straight in my eyes, my lungs,
Oh,
and I was on a trail. But I remember seeing people like, okay, 20 minutes ago. So I'm like, okay, people do walk here. So I end up sitting down, got my breathing under control, and then these 3 girls came out of nowhere. And I didn't know they were girls at the time. I could hear their voices, but they had like a thick accent. So I'm like, hey, I just sprayed myself. Could you guys bring me to the hospital? So then they ended up watering my eyes, right, to get it out. I saw black. I thought I was blind. Like legit, that panic
Yeah.
really got my breathing like out of control. But once I got that down, okay, let's figure this out. And they're from Australia, right? They've never driven on the side of the road, the right side. Never driven a Tesla, right? But I was able to like walk them through everything, and they brought me to the hospital. And then the whole health insurance came in.
Oh,
They were like, "Okay, do you have health insurance?" Like, I don't, because I'm in Canada. They're like, well, people have done this before. Just water your eyes, put soap on top of your face, clean it. Try not to rub your eyes. Do it. My face was swollen, and then we ended up becoming really good friends.
How long was your face swollen for?
Jesus. 2 days.
Morning, folks. That was my first time trying the Keurig in the elements. It's so nice. I don't have to get out to make my coffee, so I'm really stoked at how that worked. It's so nice. So today we are camping with a couple of friends. Sandro, who lives in his Tesla Model X. Then I've got a new buddy, Nico, who lives in his Tesla Model Y. And this is the day after the Honda Element meetup. So there's a couple of other Honda Element owners here, like Miguel is here, Bobby's here, Andrea's here, Kyle's here. So we had a great night last night, as you saw. And I think today, me, Sandro, Nico are going to go do some editing and things like that. Super stoked to be out in the outdoors again. I've got a lot of like house sitting work that I have to do, so I won't be spending too much time in the element this month, but I'm happy to have a day just to be outdoors with some homies. So I'm super excited. Let's go say hi to them right now.
Like a lift kit. I think that'd be awesome.
Salud.
Salud. To life?
To life.
To life. Cheers.
Nico, you drink coffee?
I had pre-workout already.
Welcome to the Tesla life.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Just because you label it creatine, does it?
I swear it doesn't look like anything else.
So you're gonna use that's gonna be your mic?
I don't know. It's a cool, like, creative, like, way to just grab the audience attention.
That is really good.
I used my
Actually,
jet oil last time.
yeah, it's good because it works with the content, you know.
Dude, imagine. Oh,
Crossing swords.
God.
Bro.
Made another cup of coffee. Just feeling a little bit tired after today's run, so I'm like, I've earned this.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the gym again.
I'm gonna go into the sauna. I'll watch you guys work out. And I'm just gonna work on the video.
Are we gonna work out, bro?
Yeah, I think we're gonna work out.
All right, let's do it.
Hit that bench press, but you gotta hit 225.
No, absolutely not, dude. Absolutely not.
What if we do it together? You know,
Oh yeah,
what if we just, yeah. I think it'll be fair. Then we get it to 225.
Hey man, come on, hurry up.
I'll do dumbbell press.
Yeah, all right.
All right. I'm old. I have a chest injury.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I've got a tear right here.
Really?
Where?
Yeah,
You do?
I do.
You want me to
What
massage
happened?
Well, it was a dance lift. So I was like, some girl was doing a flip, and I caught her like this. You know, there's a show, right?
Oh.
And I was already injured,
Yeah.
but the show was happening. I was like, I'm just gonna push through, and I caught her, and it's like, oh, dude.
So you got like torn?
Yeah. So I don't do like
Okay.
like heavy press. I can do push-ups and like dumbbell presses,
Yeah.
but heavy loads, no way, bro.
Like you still feel it?
Yeah,
Today.
it's still tender.
Oh, so any type of like heavy, it'll just yank it.
Yeah. So I just keep it light.
Yeah, yeah.
I keep
Do
it
that. Don't get injured.
I got a nice
mean,
chest. I got a nice.
Yeah. There
Well,
you go.
This morning when we were running, right, in the hills, I was like, bro, if you fall and roll your ankle, like, I have to drag you back. I can't carry you back. Like, this is a slap of muscle. It'd be too much.
Piggyback ride.
No,
Oh,
I'm dragging
food
you.
is ready.
I'll be
Oh,
dragging
the microwave is ready.
I don't know that.
Let me see your breakfast.
Well, now it's lunch.
Okay.
So we got ground beef, rice, and peas, all cooked in the microwave. So I don't have to cook again. I just meal prep once a week. There you go.
You do that while you're living in your car?
Mhm.
That's wild. Look at those macros, bro. Let's go. What's your protein intake daily?
I don't even know.
Okay.
I don't
It's just
track.
as much as possible.
Yeah.
I see. What's your protein intake daily?
30 to 40 grams
It's good. You get it from tofu or what?
peanut butter. Yeah, a gram per gram is actually more protein than beef.
Are you guys team vegan or are you guys team carnivore?
I'm biased carnivore.
I've changed a little bit. I'm more like vegetarian on
Yeah.
that base. It's about 90-10, so 90% plant-based and then 10% like some eggs.
Yeah.
Goat cheese. I love goat cheese.
Carnivore?
Carnivore. I eat like chicken, ground beef. What else? Chicken and ground beef.
All right, let's have a flex off.
Oh no. Hey, but I'll outrun him. Like if a mountain lion was to find us in the
Yeah,
forest,
he can
Yeah.
run.
I'll run.
I got gassed out this morning. He was running way up the mountain.
Oh, I can keep up with you, Sandro.
Yeah. No,
Good.
he's pretty fit.
I'm not cardio. I'm like, weights.
Like an incredible shot. You think you've made it, and then you forget to record.
It's classic. Always happens all the time.
Recording wasn't even on.
All right, let me put on my shorts. I'm ready to go.
Okay, cool. I'm just gonna swivel the seats.
That's pretty cool. That's such a cool saying, dude.
I'm just
Yeah.
my seat, shoot off.
No big deal.
No big deal.
You deep in it, bro? Look at you
This
go.
workflow.
It's nice workflow. Look at you go.
Working hard. We're comparing two different cooking setups, and I'm combining the footage. It's so difficult. So much brain power. Thanks, man.
All right, back home. Headed out to Newport Beach next.